Today, I am reviewing the Dell DC101 4K digital camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the biggest selling point: 4K video recording and 48 megapixel photography. For a camera in this price range, getting ultra high-definition video at 4K resolution is genuinely impressive. The footage is crisp, vibrant, and full of detail, perfect for YouTubers, vloggers, content creators, and even casual photographers who want professional-looking results without a complicated setup. Whether you're recording a travel vlog, documenting a family event, or shooting cinematic B-roll, the video quality is far beyond what you'd expect at this price point. Now, let's talk about photos. With a massive 48MP sensor, this camera delivers high-resolution stills that capture even the smallest details. It uses CMOS sensor technology, which is known for better low-light performance and faster image processing. The result? Sharper images with natural color balance and less noise, even when shooting in less than ideal lighting conditions. One standout feature that vloggers will absolutely love is the 180-degree flip screen. This 3-inch IPS display flips all the way around, allowing you to see yourself while filming. Whether you're shooting handheld, on a tripod, or using a selfie stick, it's incredibly easy to frame your shot perfectly. Combine that with the autofocus and 16x digital zoom, and you've got yourself a versatile setup that adapts to your environment, whether you're up close or capturing something in the distance. But this camera isn't just about great visuals. It's also designed with portability and practicality in mind. Weighing less than a pound, the DC101 is compact and travel-friendly. It easily fits into a small backpack or purse, making it the perfect companion for vacations, hikes, or for just a day out exploring your city. The durable design also gives you peace of mind when you're on the go. The feature list doesn't stop there. The Dell DC101 includes a wide array of shooting modes and creative tools, such as time-lapse, slow motion, exposure compensation, date stamp, and even fun beauty filters. There's also a fill light, anti-shake stabilization, continuous shooting, smile and face detection, and a self-timer. These features help you capture the moment just the way you envisioned it, whether you're going for cinematic drama or lighthearted fun. Now, let's talk about one of the most practical aspects of this camera. It doubles as a webcam. In today's world, where live streaming and video calls have become a daily part of life, this camera gives you a clear edge. Just connect it to your computer using the included USB cable and switch to webcam mode. You'll immediately notice a boost in image quality compared to a standard laptop webcam. Perfect for Zoom meetings, Skype calls, or live YouTube sessions. The camera also makes transferring your files extremely simple. Just plug it in, and you can instantly download your photos and videos for editing, uploading, or sharing with friends and family. And speaking of convenience, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a dual-slot charging station, which means you can film longer without worrying about running out of juice. That's a huge plus for vloggers and travelers alike. Now, who is this camera really for? In short, almost everyone. Whether you're a teen just getting started on YouTube, a beginner photographer who wants to learn the ropes, or even a parent looking for a reliable,